How far away is your drone?
Almost 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers. That's a long walk, isn't it, if it goes down?
It is, yeah. But it's a pleasant environment.
So Michael has sent the drone all the way over there to the 16th tallest waterfall in the world at 795 meters. So is that a rather concerned Michael?
Just a little bit.
So how much have you got left on your battery?
17%.
17%. And you're how far away?
2.5 kilometers.
Still 2.5 kilometers. Let's have a look.
16%. 15.
Yep. I can't see it.
Not helping, Damien.
Yeah. I'm not being very much help. Right, but basically, Michael's looking for a road to land on. And I think he's found one. Yeah, he's found a road, but what he's got to not do is put it right in the middle.
There's a couple of people walking.
Oh, it's going down. Right, so the mission is on to go and find the drone. So today there wasn't much of a story, but it's turned out to be a story. Right, off to find a drone. So tell me, have you found it?
Not yet.
Okay. Where next?
Through the construction site.
Okay. I think it might be in the bushes.
Should be in there.
Found it! Look at that! That's amazing! Hey! Look at that! That's the first time I've seen a drone recovery.
Okay.
Cool.
Happy end?
Yeah, happy ending.
Ah.
Is that a face of relief?
It is.
I think that's the first time I've seen you having a little bit of a flap on. A little bit of a flap, a little bit of stress.
Flap? Oh.
Yeah, it's the first time.
First time ever.
Mr. Calm has gone, ooh. Mate, I'd have been shitting my pants.
I mean, what's the worst thing would happen?
Well, you have to buy a new one.
But then the drone body only is cheaper than a whole lot. Plus, since I'm German, it's insured.
Actually, so is mine. Chachapoya Plaza. Oh, it is very pretty, isn't it? It really is. Oh, well. Right, the question is, can we stop here? I don't think we can. Maybe over this side. Oh, look what I've come across. I've just come across a couple of overlanders. Looks like they're from the US. Looks like the KNRs. Yeah, California. There you go. Well, I've caught up these two overlanders. Guy and a girl, looks like from California. Now the back of the bikes look like KLRs. They've got the big tanks on and no towers. But well, we're on the same road. There's only one road. We're all going the same way. Maybe I'll find out their story soon. Quick chat. Had a chat with this couple. They're Raquel from the US and Mario from France. They live in Europe normally, and they've been around about 8 months, I think. 6 months they did in Mexico, and they were basically on their way to Ushuaia as well. So I'm going to tag on with them for a few hours, kind of heading the same way, just see what happens. So I finally got to Saladin yesterday. 690 was playing up. Fault code came up with ignition coil circuit. So I unplugged everything, plugged everything in. Fault code's gone. Not sure whether 690 is running properly. I hope so, because I can't be doing with an electrical breakdown or any breakdown out here. But this little hotel in Saladin, 35 sols for the night, which is about £6.50. He's doing us breakfast, made us feel really welcome, and so yeah, today hopefully 690 is playing ball and I can make some good ground. Really need to get to a bigger town if I have a problem. Anyway, let's see what happens. That's it. 690 seems to be running okay. We'll soon find out. Well, this is tight. Gracias. That's it. 690 seems to be running good. I'm going to find some fuel. There we go. She's running okay. Fingers crossed. You look after me, baby. It's so infuriating to have these problems, especially when you're so far from anything. But I suppose this is all part of it. It's how we deal with it. As long as I can fix 690, it's okay. If I can't fix her, I'm kind of scuppered. After yesterday's epic, and I will say epic, mountain road, sheer drop-offs, absolutely stunning vistas, and it was a hard ride, especially when 690 started playing up yesterday. And now, again, I'm still getting some amazing views. The road has just become this beautiful ribbon of tarmac, winded its way around the mountain. The only downside is sometimes you'll come around a corner and there's kind of mud and dust and sand from the landslides. It can make it a little bit slick, but 690 is at the moment playing ball, letting me enjoy the ride rather than nursing it. So with only 15 kilometres to go, I've got about 25 minutes of daylight left. The sun is dropping pretty quickly, and my path is blocked by this rockfall. So let's just hope this track behind me goes where I want it to go. Right, let's try this. It's my only option. There's obviously vehicles been this way, so it must be a cut round. To be fair, the whole descent on that side and the ascent on this side has had multiple landslides and rockfalls, and I've pretty much been going every bend. I've been going over dirt anyway, so this one I don't think is any different. There's tarmac here. I wonder if how long that fall has been there, or whether this is an old bit of road. Who knows? As long as it delivers me to where I want to go, that's all that really matters now. Oh, I don't think it was where I was meant to go. Oh, that's slippery. Peru has been delivering some amazing things. The amount of rockfalls, landslides I've had, didn't expect to encounter quite as many as I have. Oh, look at that. So that's where the road would have brought me out, and I'm assuming this is where it's going to take me. this has pretty much been my story for the last, all the way over those switchbacks. Well, I'm back on the right track by the seams of things. So there you go. That's what I drove down earlier.